I quit my side hustle. 7 months ago, I started a side hustle and now I decided to let it go. To understand why I decided to quit it after months of working on it, I have to first explain why I started it. I'm a full-time software engineer from Belgium. I'm 25 years old and I wanted to earn some money on the side. I wanted to earn some money outside of my full-time job and not being fully reliant on it. I'll be hearing noises everywhere. But the sun is out. Hey, summer in Belgium is beautiful. Winter in Belgium, tough. Very difficult. Summer, amazing. But anyways, so the main reason why I wanted to do is to have a side project that I could work on, that could earn me some money, and where I could have more freedom. So creative freedom, financial freedom, and also just freedom in terms of time. Oh, and another reason why I decided to start it is because it seemed fun. Honestly, I was a bit bored and I thought it would seem fun to start something new and see where I could take it. So I thought, okay, I want a side hustle. What am I gonna do? After some thinking, I thought about what I liked and what I could do. I like spending time with content creators and entrepreneurs, and what I can do is video editing. But that was not my first thing. First, I thought, let me do web design. I quickly put that to the side because I have no past experience in web design. I want to work with entrepreneurs, content creators, and do video editing. So I decided to start freelancing on the side, helping small businesses with their social media content. So I went on and did that. And honestly, it was difficult because to have a successful side hustle, you need money. To have money, you need clients. So that was the first problem I had. I did not have any clients and I had to figure out how to get clients. I was perfecting it way too much. I was overthinking everything. If I could go back now, I would have made it much, much simpler. But I learned. It's just something that I had to learn. I had no past experience in building a service-based project, a service-based business. So that's just a lot of hard lessons that I had to learn. So after a while of trying different things to get new clients, I started getting clients, mostly through social media and to my personal network. So friends that I knew, friends of friends. And after a few projects, I realized I don't like this. I actually don't like this. Keep in mind, for months, my goal and vision was to have a project and to have clients. And then after doing a few projects, in the beginning they were fine, but after a while, I had to basically force myself to work. And that's something that I don't really want. I don't want to start a side project to eventually have to first force myself to work on it like it's a second job. And I put myself in that situation. I didn't notice it at first, but after a while, I noticed that I was not looking forward to working on those projects, and I was looking forward to not having those projects anymore. And it's not that I don't really have discipline or that I'm unmotivated, because when it comes to, for example, YouTube videos, I do that outside of my work and I don't really have to force myself to do it. It just comes easy. But with video editing for other people, it just didn't feel energizing. It really didn't feel energizing. And I just realized that the main thing that was driving me was the potential of money and the lifestyle that I could have in the long run if this were to become successful. And that just was not enough to drive me. So I decided to quit it. I'm not promoting it. I'm not really looking for new clients. I'm still open to do something if it's a really, really interesting project, but currently it's not a priority for me. I don't really have any expectations for myself. I'm just gonna follow what I enjoy, which is currently making YouTube videos and maybe building some apps, maybe learning a bit more about AI. I'll see. I don't regret doing the project because I learned a lot. I actually learned a lot about myself and also about the world of business. I did the experiment, I learned some things from it, and now I can move on.